Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Edmond Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you guys on how to enable POP and IMAP settings in your Gmail account. Alright, so just a quick info about POP or Post Office Protocol is used to sync email from Gmail to any compatible mail client, while IMAP or Internet Message Access Protocol is a protocol that allows you to download messages from mail provider servers. Alright, so without further ado, and let's go ahead. Ang next step ay open lang natin ang ating Gmail account. And then dito lang sa upper right side ay click mo lang tong settings. And then next ay kailangan mo lang i-click tong see all settings. And then dito sa settings ay kailangan mo lang select dito yung forwarding and POP/IMAP. So click mo lang siya. And then nandito na yung option settings mga kaibigan. So yung pinakauna yung POP download. So nandito kung gusto mong enable POP for all mails or enable POP for mail that arrives from now on. So select ka nandito sa dalawa. Alright, so click lang natin tong enable POP for all mail. And then next naman dito sa kanyang messages are accessed with POP. Click mo lang tong arrow na to and then select ka lang dito yung other options. And then next naman ay dito sa kanyang IMAP access. So nandito naman yung enable IMAP or disable IMAP. Right? So select lang natin dito yung enable IMAP. And then another option naman mga kaibigan, nandito yung mark a message with IMAP as deleted. Nandito yung option naman dito kung gusto mo nang turn on or turn off. So select ka na dito. And then next naman dito sa kanyang IMAP folder. So nandito naman yung other options mga kaibigan. Select ka lang dito. And next, ito naman yung folder size limits. Kung gusto mo naman ng i-limit, nandito siya. So, limit IMAP folders to contain no more than this many messages. I-click mo lang tong arrow na to and then select ka lang dito kung ilan mga kaibigan. Kung gusto mo naman ng wag i-limit, so click mo lang tong do not limit. And then next, ay kailangan mo lang i-click tong save changes. So, click mo lang siya. And then next, we need to verify. So, click mo lang tong continue. And then enter lang natin ang ating mobile number. And then enter mo lang yung OTP code and then click mo lang yung next. Alright, so ganoon na po kasimple mga kaibigan kung paano tayo mag-enable ng MAP and IMAP settings sa Gmail account. Alright, so please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.